ain't lying to you. Look at what I did, y'all. I ain't lying to you. Look at what I did. Plop it on. Shake and go. Ooh, shake her out, baby. Let her get big and ignorant. Oh, you got 5 seconds? 5 seconds for fabulousness. Y'all think I'm holding me? Y'all think I'm playing? We're gonna start this collide. Y'all ready? Let's start. Oh, sorry, y'all. I lied. I'm so sorry. 3 seconds for fabulousness. Oh, 3 seconds. We on our way to Best Buy right now to get our computer chargers, period. We finna be flying the mug up and down the miles at Best Buy. Throw this baby on, give her a shake. That's it. You want it easy? You want it beginner friendly? I heard you.
I heard when you said that.
This right here is my secret weapon. You got benefits. This wig right here is from HerGivenHair. They specialize in textured wigs. So you don't have to worry about the quality of these curls, baby. You don't have to worry about that. This is what they do. This is their 18-inch Coily shake and go full wig. No lace, no glue, no spray, no adhesive whatsoever, baby. You plop this on, shake her out, and you're good to go. Now, you know me when it comes to curly hair. 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna pop those curls. You don't have to, but I like to show you guys what the wigs can do. Sometimes I'll just throw it on and I'll leave her in her big hair glory. But here's the thing about curly hair. It's gonna come with manufactured curls, okay? You wanna break that up. They need to break up. My dog, hold a minute, y'all. There you go. Bam. You'll notice I use 2 products. I use a mousse and I use a gel. I did that because the mousse basically acted like water. I just moved. Thank you, Jesus. My stuff is just away right now. So I didn't have my spray bottle. I didn't feel like dealing with it. So I use the mousse as basically water. Now the mousse that I use is a very high hold mousse. It's patterns mousse. It's gonna hold everything in place. Brushed it with my curl friends brush. Y'all already know the only brush that I use with curly hair. Then I applied my extreme gel. Bam. Defined it. You gotta shake up the manufactured curls. The curls that come in the box. If you want it to look like this, I'm saying, you gotta brush those suckers out. I'm talking about the factory curls. You got to brush those suckers out, honey, so they get like this. You don't want them to be twins, baby. You want these curls to be siblings, but not twins. You do not want them things to look identical the whole way through because your wig will not look like this. That's your choice. You don't have to do it. Baby, plop this on. Okay, by not using the water, it dried very quickly. Shake her out, baby. Her get big and ignorant. You on your way to the stove. You on your way, baby. Or to get you something to eat. You short on time. You need to just throw something on. Look, and you look good. You're not just throwing something on and it's terrible.
Cause you could throw a whole lot of things on, but what it look like, huh?
You want to throw it on, yes, but you want it to look like something too. That's the other part of the equation. See, people don't. That part of the equation is in there too. It's got to look like something. Thinning hair, alopecia, bam. You don't have to blend anything. There's nothing you have to blend. If you don't like bangs, do like I just did. Look at it. That's it. I like bangs though. I like bangs. I like them ignorant too and long and in my face. I do. It's effortless. It does not get any easier than this. No blending. This is the way that the wig looks. So it is going to save you so much time. It's comfortable. I don't feel that I have a wig on.
We know I do.
But I don't feel like I do. There's nothing pulling. There's nothing tugging. I have one comb, man. I ain't gonna lie. There are 2 combs right here, one in the back, and an adjustable strap. The wig is not going anywhere. This thing is on here, honey. It's on here. Very secure. This is perfect for vacation, traveling. You getting ready to get on the road, traveling. You don't want to have to worry about your hair. Throw this on, get gone, y'all. There's so many benefits to a wig like this, and like I said, it's human hair, y'all. Not only is it human hair, but it's high quality human hair. You keep this. This is the wig you keep for years. This is the wig you keep, baby. They give you a nice, beautiful, silky soft wig bag. You don't swap this wig when you take it off. You put it in the bag and put it away. You keep this. This the keep one, okay? Full protective style, ladies and gentlemen. Shampoo, condition your hair, moisturize, cornrow your hair, bite, put it back in a low ponytail. Whatever you're gonna do, have your twists up under here, put it away. Full protective style. Super low maintenance. Y'all want it to look like something, but you want to do very little. Okay, I got you. Here's an option right here. I ain't lying to you. Look at what I did, y'all. I ain't lying to you. Look at what I did. 3 seconds. You saw it. Plop it on. Shake and go. Plop it on. Shake and go. Ooh. Plop it on. And shake and plop it on. Shake and go. Get gone. Get gone.
Honey, I got what you want. of your love 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Yeah, under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can you feel me? Can you handle it? Right? Do you want it? Put your love on hold. I can't take it anymore. Put your love on me now. Trust me and you will see. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Give me your love, no holding back, no. We could take it to the stars where you wanna go. The things that we can do to make the prove you know. Honey, I got what you want. Yeah, under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me no lies, I always get mine. Don't play with me. So do you want it? Do you want it? Can you feel me? Can you feel me now? Can you handle it? Alright. So do you want it? Don't put your love on hold. I can't take it anymore. Put your love on me now. Trust me and you will see. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. So don't put your love on hold. Can't feel me, I can't take it anymore. Don't put your love on me. Trust me and you will see. Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love.